சொல்லி மகிழ உன் அருள் வேண்டும். என் இதயத்தை நீ உந்தன் இருப்பிடமாய் கொள்ள பங்காரு அம்மா உன் அருள் வேண்டும். இரும்பினை ஈர்த்திடும் காந்தத்தை போல் உந்தன் பாதத்தில் பணிய உன் அருள் வேண்டும். விதி மாற்றி வினை மாற்றி எமை மாற்றும் கண்ணழகை எப்பொழுதும் காண உன் அருள் வேண்டும்.
Om Shakti. Eat bananas thrice a week. Eat grain balls, also called kali in Tamil, thrice a week. This will bring your hypertension down. Om Shakti.
அடிகளாரின் பார்வை பட்டாலே பாவங்கள் தீருவது போல ஒரு சில மருத்துவர்களின் பார்வை பட்டாலே வியாதிகள் தீருகிற வகையில் அருளை தருவேன்.
Just as Adigalar's glance can absolve sin, I shall grace some doctors to cure diseases by a glance.
They say a doctor only dresses the wound. It is God who heals. Amma, an incarnation of the Supreme Divinity, removes sins and cures diseases with just one glance. Amma also comes in the form of doctors who have a sense of service, purity, and devotion. Doctors examine patients by their look and touch, and with proper diagnosis can save lives. Amma says she would grace and grant powers to some doctors so they can cure diseases just by a glance. Om Shakti.
Om Sakthi. Guruvadi Sharanam, Tiruvadi Sharanam. The universal principle manifests on earth as a divine incarnation or a spiritual guru in its purest form. Guru is the epitome of divine omniscience who knows the true state of all circumstances. A guru also knows how to liberate their followers from perplexity that impedes them from progress. The guru protects them like the mother bird watching its nestlings. By surrendering oneself at the guru's feet, one does not experience fear in their mind, for it helps them cross the boundless ocean of life. Om abhayamalikum tiruvadiye potrivom. Om maranabayam neekum tiruvadiye potrivom. What do these verses mean? It means that the Guru's holy feet protect us all. The Guru's feet defend us from the fear of death. Let us further understand this with a beautiful story. Every morning, a fisherman went to a beautiful lake by the riverside. He would dip his feet in the water, throw his net, and catch a bucket full of fishes. He would then sell them at the market and earn his living. The fishes would worry at sunrise, dreading that it might soon be their turn to fall prey to the fisherman's net. But there was this one little fish who seemed oblivious and swam happily, even humming his favorite tunes while he waded through the waters. All the other fishes came to him and wanted to know how he remained calm and fearless despite the danger that lurked in the lake. The little fish said, "All of you tend to panic and retreat away from the shore when you see the fisherman dip his feet in the lake, getting ready to spread his net. His goal is to throw his net as far as possible to get his best catch. All of you make it easier for him by swimming farther away from him and the shore. But I, on the other hand, take refuge right under his feet as soon as I see him dip his feet in the water. While he remains focused on catching his fishes deeper into the lake, I always manage to escape his trap by staying closer to him. That is why I stay composed, as I always know my refuge." This story gives us a more profound meaning as Amma always insists that we learn from nature. If only we surrender ourselves at the holy feet of our Guru, we will be protected. The cascade of grace that the Almighty descends upon humanity flows through the feet of our Guru. As their followers, we should submit to total surrender at our Guru's feet. Glory be to the holy feet of our Guru Bangaru Adigalar. Om Sakthi.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the BangaruAmmaGlobal YouTube channel for more inspiring and uplifting videos like this one.